Welcome to the 256 Vast Range channel that brings you amawulire agava ku baselebbo mu Uganda g'ebyobufuzi n'ebirala ebisinga kaawo. Tubaniriza ku mukutu gwaffe guno ogumanyikidibwa nga the 256 Vast Range era ng'olunaku lwaleero tuzze n'eggulire nga lya nnaku. Juliana Kanyomozi is gonna hate to lose her brother gwe bayita Eddie Kim era nga wetwogerera zembuyaga ezikunta. Tubaniriza ku mukutu guno era nga story ya nnaku. Juliana Kanyomozi omu ku bantu be tumanyi nti yeyisanga mu mbejja, and even before you got to know that she's a princess, you really saw to it that she handled her things mu ngeri ya kimbejja era nga yeyisa mu ngeri ennungi ennyo. Juliana Kanyomozi ono abadde awangala ne muganda wono amanyikiddwa nga Kim era nga babadde basakibo. Nze nga personally I had a chance to obviously see Kim with Juliana. I think was it at Monitor Publications. I think that's one of the interviews she did ku Daily Monitor. I happened to see her there era nga embeera yali yassanyu nga Juliana yatuma Kim nakkirira n'aleeta buli kimu era nga yimu ku bantu abadde bamuvuga era nga babadde best friends nga balaba mu bifaananyi abo. But nga bw'omanyi nti Mukama Katonda yagera era yasalawo when your life is going to come to an end era nga kitalo nnyo mu family ya Juliana Kanyomozi era nga ku ntandikwa y'omwezi guno, that was the first of November. Juliana Kanyomozi yagenze ku mukutu gwa X, formerly known as Twitter, and she had the following to say: "With deep sorrow, the family of the late Prince Gerard Manyindo announces the untimely death of their son, brother, husband, and father, Prince Edward Freeman Kim, which occurred this morning on the 1st of November 2023. Burial arrangements are underway and will be communicated as soon as possible. There will be a vigil that was on the 1st at his home in Kawanda." So Eddie Kim used to reside in Kawanda era nga gyabadde era nga Juliana Kanyomozi yagenze n'ateeka obubaka bwe butyo ku mukutu gwe ogumanyikiddwa gwa X era nga kibadde kintu kyantiisa nnyo. Jjukira nti okufiira kuno kugenza okujja nga waliwo omukolo gwa Bellaga mwenna mugumanyi gwe bayita the Tusker Conversation. Tusker Conversation gwe gumu ku it's one of those performances that were introduced, right? And when they are introduced, baleeta omuyimbi n'ayimba. You saw to it Winnie Nwagi, King Saha, Shiba Kalungi, Jose Chameleone, and very many others, right? So Juliana Kanyomozi was slated to perform that video was slated to premiere on Sunday on the YouTube channel. Yeah, I think it's of Tusker Malt and Swanks Avenue. It's a project spearheaded by Swanks Avenue era omukolo kisaziddwamu nga bagamba nti they have to mourn Juliana Kanyomozi's brother era mu ngeri eyo ne bagamba nti we cannot obviously try to premiere that onto the channel nga ate oli yafiiriddwa muganda we. So everyone who was really expecting that to come in through here onto the YouTube channel, mulinde muko, it might premiere even after like a month. Eranga that tweet went ahead to read as follows: nga bwogiraba batugambye mu Tusker Malt Conversations ne batugamba nti postponement of Tusker Malt Conversations season 2 premiere era ne bagamba we regret to inform fans of Tusker Malt Conversations that the highly anticipated premiere of season 2 that was slated for Sunday, November 5th, 2023 has been postponed. This is in respect of the passing of future artist Juliana Kanyomozi's brother Prince Eddie Freeman Kim that occurred on the morning of Wednesday, November 1st. We express our deepest condolences and commiserate with the family that is mourning the loss of the loved one. A new date will be communicated. That is it, coming in from Tusker Malt. Eranga bagamba do not forward to persons under 18 years. So yeye baluwa evudde mu kitongole kya Tusker era nga bagamba nti bongezaayo this conversation. Juliana Kanyomozi bamubuze ebibuuzo as she obviously comes in through and sings nga bwavayo naddamu ebibuuzo. I think it's hosted by Douglas Lwanga, one of the #1 top celebrity entertainment journalists in the land. So embeera sinungi era nga mwana muwala Juliana alabika nti embeera sinungi. Jukira nti she went ahead to lose her son. I think it was around 2013, 2014. That's when she lost her son. You know, mutabani we yafa era nga Katonda blessed her with another son. Obviously era nga talaga face ye, tetumanyi taata we, naye nga bwomanyi nti mukazi akwekanye ebintu bye mu mbeera eno gyali, era nga Juliana Kanyomozi continues to do that into the spaces that she's moving in through. So tulina bannayuganda abavuddeyo ne bakubagiza Juliana Kanyomozi era ne babaako obubaka bwe bamuweereza ku mukutu gwe ogwa X nga bamuddamu nga bamukubagiza mugamu naye nga kitalo ng'olabye okuviibwako muganda womu bw'ati omulenzi era nga omu ku bantu abasoose ye Pastor Sempa yavuddeyo n'agamba Juliana, pole sana, very sorry to hear this news. You have our sympathies and shared sorrow at your great loss. Kitalo nnyo. Oyo bwe yavuddeko ne tuleeta Dr. Jose Chameleone, mumumanyi oyo atatya mpalana atakoga atageja. Dr. Jose Chameleone yavuddeyo n'agamba, oh no, it's so sad my sister, may Eddie rest in eternal peace. It's unbelievable. Era munange kiri unbelievable nnyo kuba omuntu gw'otawulidde nti bannange mulwadde kikuba enkikwe buli omu. Then Vinka navayo n'agamba, oh no, may his soul rest in eternal peace. Vinka muyimbi wa Swangs Avenue, Baramu Balugahare, mumumanyi omutegesi w'ebivulu era nga y'omu ku basinga okukozesa Juliana especially mu concerts ze ne MK movement activities. Avudde n'agamba, dear sister JK, my sincerest condolences for you at this time. You have my deepest sympathy and unwavering support. Wishing you peace, comfort, courage, and lots of love at this time of sorrow. My heart goes out to you at this difficult time. May Prince Kim's soul rest in peace. Yo yamanyikidwa nga Balaam Balugahare and very many others went ahead to obviously come out nga bakubagiza Juliana Kanyomozi ono era nga we are waiting for the burial arrangements zabagenda okutuwa tumanye nti Kim ono bagenda kumuziika. Diso kitalo nnyo, kitalo ddala. Juliana Kanyomozi afiiriddwa muganda we era nga si mawulire malungi mu nnyumba ya Mr. Manyindo eri Fort Portal. Kitumanyi bagenda muzika Fort Portal, but Juliana will give us more of the conversation on how stuff is obviously going to happen down where Kim is obviously going to be laid to rest for the rest of his life. So twaverwa mukama Katonda era gye tudda, just we have to pray to it that we live when we've gone ahead to obviously live the life that we are meant to live. That is it, because death is untimely and death is said to happen to anyone. So every person who is out there, try to do things the right way and see to it that you are really remembered for the good deeds you're gonna hate to do onto this world. So we sign out for now. I think this is the first video onto the 256 vast range, but we always coming through with various live streams. We obviously stream like 10 times a day. Video. So continue to subscribe. Eranga tetujja kubatemawa. We are obviously going to get you more and more and more and more from your celebrities here onto the 256 vast channel. Mwebale tubagala nnyo. Bye bye for now.